Okay, this is what I'm trying to make today. I've made one before and I'm just going to make another one. So first step here, kind of sorted through some lumber I had, decided on a nice piece of wood. Next, decided to run it through the planer to get the desired thickness. And then after that, I took this board right over here to the bandsaw, sliced it in half. So I've got my desired width and thickness. Now I'm going to take them to the chop saw. So now I've got my 4 boards. It's time to sand them, drill some holes, and then nail them together. Just whipped up a quick jig so I can cut a nice V groove in the bottom with this router bit. And there you have it. That's the second one made. So on the left is the original one. It has the mitered corners. And then on the right here, this is the finished product. The second time around, did some different joints on the corner and made them overlap in a different way. Quite pleased with how it came out, and it's pretty quick and simple to build. Thanks for checking out this video. Make sure to check out some of our other projects and leave a comment down below.